Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to activate batteries that are completely dead. These batteries are brand new, straight out of the box, but they don't work and show zero voltage. First, I'll try to revive them using this activation board, but if the board fails to wake them up, I'll show you what I do next. As you can see, the activation board isn't working. It's not picking up any voltage, and these batteries remain completely dead. First, we need to reach the battery cell pins by removing this protection. Be careful, because if you puncture the battery, it can catch fire. Okay, let's measure the battery first to see how many volts it shows. As you can see, it shows 0 volts. Alright, let's fix this. All you need is this basic 5V charger with stripped wires. Let's verify the voltage coming out of the charger first. Now we just need to hook up the positive and negative directly to the cell. Keep them pressed down for about 10 seconds. Let's see if it takes a charge now. As you can see, it's taking a charge now. Let's check it with the multimeter now. We are at 3.08 volts. This is perfect. The battery is officially back to life.